Mastercam 2021 introduces the new Lathe Custom Thread toolpath to support custom thread forms. The new toolpath also takes advantage of Mastercam's next-generation panel interface to simplify and streamline your programming workflow. You can select chained geometry to represent the thread cross-section, or select one of 4 parametric definitions: rope, buttress, square, trapezoidal. Mastercam lets you define roughing and finishing passes with separate cutting parameters. The new custom thread module also supports Mastercam's other advanced threading and toolpath features, such as multi-start threads, tool inspection, ID/OD threads, allowances for mating parts, and cross-centerline turning. You can even name and save custom thread forms so you can easily retrieve and reuse them in future operations. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.